how to transfer photos, videos from iPhone to Windows computer or PC. So if you want to transfer or import the photos or videos from your iPhone to your computer, then what you need to do is just follow the steps. So to transfer the photos from an iPhone to your PC on your Windows 10, what you need to do is first connect your iPhone to a PC with a USB cable that can transfer the files. Once you're connected to the USB cable, now turn your phone on and unlock it. Your PC can't find the device if the device is locked. Now the second step, on your PC, select the Start or Windows button and then select the Photos to open the Photos app. So you just need to simply go with the Windows option, which is right here, and then go with the Photos. Here you will have the Photos app, right? You just need to simply open up your Photos app and select Import from a USB device, then follow the instructions. You can pick the items you want to import and select where to save them. Allow a few moments for detection and transfer. So make sure to connect your USB. Once you've connected, you need to go with your phone, and under your phone you need to turn on the file transfer option. Once you turn on, now here you will have this kind of interface. If you're using Android or if you're using iPhone, you will have this kind of interface. So what you need to do is you can either go with your file explorer, and then you can choose the mobile device which you have just connected or given the access. Go with the internal storage, and then here you will have all of the folders. You can simply choose any folder that you would like to transfer, and for example I'll be choosing this one, and you can simply drag and drop that, and once you drag and drop that, then you will be able to transfer the files in this way. Or you can also go with the photos option. Once you go with the photos, now here on the upper right you will have import option. Go with import, choose the device from which you would like to import, and you just need to simply choose the photos if you have any photos. And once you choose the photos, simply select the photos that you would like to add. So select the photos. Once you've selected, now you just need to simply go with add to items, which is on the upper side, and then go with import, and you'll be able to import. So in that way, you'll be able to import photos or transfer photos from your iPhone to your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.